Picture this. You're casually boarding a plane. The hum of passengers, the click of suitcases being rolled down the aisle, and the hustle of flight attendants preparing for takeoff. All seems normal. But hidden amongst the crowd is someone whose sole purpose is to protect everyone on that flight. This person is a federal Air Marshal. Their presence is discreet and their mission critical. In this video, we're revealing the truth about what Air Marshals really do, the intense training they go through, and the high stakes of the job. So, what exactly is the role of an Air Marshal? In simple terms, they are the unseen guardians of the skies, working under the Transportation Security Administration, TSA. Their job is to ensure the safety of passengers from potential threats like terrorism or hijackings. But it's far more complex than just being an undercover officer on board a plane. To fully appreciate their responsibilities, we need to look deeper into the many layers of their role. Let's start at the airport. Air Marshals don't just board planes and blend into the passenger crowd. Their day starts long before the flight takes off. At airports, they're involved in threat assessments and intelligence gathering. While most of us are concerned with getting through security and finding the right gate, Air Marshals are observing behaviors, analyzing security risks, and gathering information that could preempt potential dangers. They work closely with airport security and other law enforcement agencies, and sometimes their duties extend beyond aircraft, particularly in high security events or potential terrorist targets on the ground. But let's talk about the flight itself. Air Marshals don't fly with the luxury of comfort that passengers do. While you might see someone reading a book or having a quick nap during a long flight, the Air Marshal is constantly assessing. Who seems nervous? Is anyone acting out of the ordinary? They are specially trained to detect subtle behavioral cues that could indicate a threat. Their presence must remain unknown to passengers, a fine balance between vigilance and blending in. And here's the thing. Air Marshals are trained to handle any situation. They are highly skilled in hand-to-hand combat, firearms, and defusing threats, both on the ground and in the air. Unlike police officers on the streets, Air Marshals have an extra challenge. They must protect passengers in the confined, pressurized environment of an aeroplane. That means their training prepares them for quick, decisive action without causing panic or disrupting the flight. You might wonder how often Air Marshals are actually needed. While major incidents are thankfully rare, the presence of an Air Marshal is a deterrent in itself. Terrorists or potential hijackers know there could be a highly trained officer on board, ready to respond. And this possibility alone can dissuade those with ill intentions from taking action. But beyond that, Air Marshals are also involved in addressing less extreme scenarios, such as managing unruly passengers who may pose a danger to the flight's safety. Of course, the life of an Air Marshal isn't all high-stakes action. It's a job that requires long hours, constant vigilance, and an ability to stay calm under pressure. Air Marshals spend much of their time traveling, often with little rest between flights. They operate in one of the most unpredictable environments, thousands of feet in the air, surrounded by hundreds of people in an enclosed space. Their mental resilience is just as important as their physical abilities. Their training is extensive. Prospective Air Marshals go through rigorous physical and psychological assessments. They're trained to shoot accurately in the challenging conditions of an aircraft cabin and must be proficient in various martial arts. Additionally, they learn how to negotiate and defuse potentially dangerous situations without the use of force. Their mental fortitude is tested time and time again because staying focused for long stretches, often on multiple flights a day, requires exceptional discipline. Interestingly, Air Marshals are part of an elite group. There are far fewer of them than most people realize. Because of this, their work often goes unnoticed, and that's by design. Secrecy is essential to their role. In fact, even the number of air marshals deployed on any given day is classified information. This secrecy is a major part of why air marshals are so effective. Their anonymity means that a potential threat could never be sure if there's a marshal on board. So, the next time you fly, you may never know if an air marshal is seated a few rows behind you. But rest assured, these highly trained officers are doing everything they can to keep you safe. Their work is a crucial part of modern aviation security, ensuring that what we often take for granted, a peaceful flight from one destination to another, stays that way.